What's the meaning of cuss? Cuss. Cuss.
Cuss. Cuss. Cuss is a verb that means to use profane or vulgar language, also known as swearing or cursing. It generally refers to the use of offensive words or expressions to express anger, frustration, or other strong emotions, and is often considered socially unacceptable. Cussing can result in negative consequences such as offending others, damaging relationships, or even getting into trouble with the law. While some individuals may view cussing as a harmless way to express themselves, it is important to be mindful of its potential impact and choose language that is respectful and appropriate for the situation.